Wow, it is nice outside.
Wow, it is actually very nice because it is sunny and the temperature has a perfect 75 degrees Fahrenheit, making it not that hot or cold.
Hello Judy Neutron, I will sing you a good song.
I need you stop, she is my mother, or I will kick your zigga with the actual fucking bowling ball looking ass. I swear I will beat the fuck out of you. You obese motherfucker, she is my wife. If you think you can touch her, you gotta touch me first. Oh, right there. Oh, ah ha 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 ah ha. Stop it, Carl, it hurts. I am not gay, Carl, stop please. Ah ha.
Well, at least it's coming out of the attic, not the basement. Boy!